all people. Welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I would like to show you that when you are in the shower or when you turn on the sink, you are near the water and all of a sudden there is less water. Does that work for me now? At the beginning I still have a lot of pressure, and after a short time the pressure decreases more and more. The reason for this is that the non-return valve behind the hot water tank simply no longer works properly and needs to be cleaned. Compared to cold water, all water comes through with constant high pressure. So, now let's go to the check valve, build the removal and cleaning. In order to remove the non-return valve, we first have to turn off the main water line, so that no water runs down. Here we see the check valve. That's it. Up here is this one. The approach for the open-end wrench. I've got something special here on the line. I still have a slider here and I can still separate it. That is, the water that comes from above, from my house, through the screwing. Or do I prevent the water from leaking further here later if I remove this non-return valve? If you don't have that, you should definitely put a bucket under it so that it doesn't flood everything here. Because I think that's about 345 liters that could still come out, depending on how big the house is and how long the line is. Well, now we're going to remove the check valve. However, before you do that, go back up into your living room, kitchen, bathroom, no matter where. Turn on the faucet and make sure that water is actually coming out. Furthermore, we have to release the line pressure that still exists anyway. So, after you've done that, we can then remove the check valve. To be on the safe side, I also took a bucket, because I think a little water will come out of it. It's dripping. But it shouldn't be that much now. Well, there is still something. Let's let this run its course for now. And there's still a bit of pressure in the storage tank, and it's still pushing. That comes out from above. So it's more than I thought. But eventually, I hope, that will subside. Well, the pressure is off. I have about 1.5 liters of water in my bucket because I also have a membrane hanging behind it. She also pushed a bit. So definitely take a bucket so that it doesn't wet the floor. Here is my check valve that is stuck. We'll clean that up soon. See you later. Turn the valve a bit and then it should slowly come apart. Here you can see exactly this contamination, which means that the valve can no longer be moved. Here we have such lime pollution, this lime pollution. We're going to clean them now, with a bit of sandpaper.
Yeah.
Get rid of the lime here. Now you can see how the part looks clean. No more lime on it. It is important before it is installed. In any case, rinse with water so that the sand from the sandpaper does not get into this groove in the sleeve, and then it will actually work wonderfully again. Then, maybe check for commonness like that. So, this check valve is now working properly again. Yes. No. We can now install it again and then it should work again. We're going to do that again right now. Well, the check valve is working properly again. To me, just do everything backwards. That is, we screw the check valve tight again. Open the taps again and take a look upstairs to see if the effect really works. Now we turn the water tap to the hot water tap and we see the water running through without any loss of pressure. So that means the non-return valve is now working wonderfully again for comparison. But there is still a little air. It's great that you can see exactly that we're filming it right now. So wonderful. There is something in the line, but it runs without a loss of pressure. For comparison, cold water. It is exactly like that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you liked it. Leave something in the comments. See you next time.